birthday, Lilin. Sana happy ka dyan. At maalala mo yung ating magagandang memory dito sa Pililla. Naku, saan tayo napupunta. O, gano'n na lang. Love you.
Ito yung memories mo. Ito lang naingatan namin eh. Yan. Payat pa kayo dyan. Ito pa. Payat pa kayo dito, Pilin. Happy birthday and more birthday to come. Ingat dyan palagi. Bye-bye po. Love you po sa inyo dyan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mare. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi at more birthdays to come. Welcome to Senior Mare. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Linlin. Enjoy your day. And welcome to the Seniors Club.
Happy birthday, Lilin!
Mare, happy birthday.
Yeah.
Mare.
Oh,
Kami lahat okay kami. Tuloy-tuloy kami.
Martin.
Hi. Hello. Happy birthday. Long
Nasaan ba yan?
Happy birthday, Linlin.
Nasaan?
Hi, Sis Lynn. Blessed and happiest birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Love you.
Hi, friend! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday, okay? Let's continue to enjoy our life. I wish you good health, no? Nauna lang ako ng more than 1 month. Now, parehas na tayong nasa senior club. Anyway, I would like to thank you for the friendship, yung ating friendship, ano na yun eh, 5 dekada. 5 decades of friendship. Through thick and thin, tayo pa rin. Okay? Alam mo yan, I love you so much. I love you, my BFF, my kumare. God bless you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Lynn. God bless you always. More birthdays to come. Love you. I miss you. Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Happy birthday, Marilyn.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Len. Happy birthday, Kumari.
Dre, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. Enjoy lang ang buhay. God bless you.
Hello, Mare. Kumusta? More birthday to come. More blessing.
Happy birthday, Marklin. Blessing to you and sana mag-iingat ka diyan lagi. Happy birthday.
Ingat palagi.
Ingat ka palagi diyan.
Happy birthday, Ate Lynn.
Linlin. Naalala ko nung kami mamesta sa Pililla. Nagulat ka rin doon. Gawa ng lasing din si Igat. So, yun ang hindi ko makakalimut ng experience namin sa iyo. Welcome kami sa iyo. Kahit yun ay kinabukasan na ng piyesta, nagpunta pa rin kami sa iyo. Kinabukasan ng piyesta. Happy birthday sa iyo. My birthday is to come. And God bless you. I'm going
Kung magkikita kayo dun, sabihin.
Baka paalis ako ng February 7, Lynn. I hope magkita tayo doon. Doon kami sa Alamed. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong lugar. Sige, bye-bye. God bless. Happy birthday. I love you. Joey.
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa kuba. Aking nakita, babaeng saksakan ng ganda.
Happy birthday, Tita Lynn. Love you.
Hi, Ma'am Candilla. Happy birthday. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga niyo sa amin ng high school days at gabay. We miss you. Good health po always. Na lagi po naway makapag-banding tayo sa next uwi niyo po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tita Lynn. We miss you. God bless po. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mami. Thank you so much for being such an inspiring mentor. I am forever grateful for your wisdom, for sharing your wisdom to us. Lagi kang mag-iingat. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Yan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Lynn. Happy 60th birthday, sis. Wish you all the best, good health, and more travels to come.
Ang wish ko sa'yo, umuwi ka na.
I wish I can go there and have vacation with you and Diche.
Oh,
One time kami ni AJ, pupunta dyan. I love you.
love you.
Mama.
Mwah.
Chup chup.
Chup.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Tita Lynn.
Happy birthday, Tita Lynn.
Birthday, Tita Lynn.
Yehey. Papahabaan. Happy birthday, Tita
birthday, Tita
Lynn. Pahabaan. Happy birthday, Tita
Happy
Lynn.
birthday, Tita Lynn.
Down. Oh, dali. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Tita Lynn.
Ay, bitalo ka. Love you. God bless.
Hi, Len. Kumusta? Happy birthday! 60th birthday mo na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Para na tayong senior citizen kapatid. Pero I'm just a little bit older. Pero 60 ka na. Senior citizen ka na din. Lakwatsya na tayo. Salamat for being generous, a selfless person para sa family natin. At saka pagiging masayahin, yung magiging masayahin mo, transcend, nagre-radiate pala sa buong room. That's how you are. Kaya nga masaya pag kasama kita sa mga lakad naming family. Now, I'm always proud of you sa lahat ng nagawa mo sa buhay, Lynn. I remember nung maliit ka pa, alagang-alaga ka kasi sakitin ka. Pero now, ang dami mong na-accomplish. Kaya, thank you kay Lord. Lahat ng mga napagdaanan mo, I watch you grow and navigate the life. Nakita ko how you turn every life's challenges into an opportunity, Tapos lahat pa ng mga setbacks nagiging nasusurpass mo. Teacher ka na dyan, daig mo pa ako. It's okay. At least happy tayo. And basta palagi kang magdadasal, be healthy. Kasi ito na lang yung natin. Paano tayo makakatulong kung hindi tayo healthy? So, since binibigyan tayo ni Lord ng blessing, palagi natin ipinamimigay din ng blessing. Pero magtitira din tayo ng sa atin for ourselves. So, yeah. Kasi nasa retirement age na rin tayo. Malapit na. So, yeah. Keep being like you. Huwag kang magbabago. Pero mag-diet ka na konti. Be healthy. Be healthy. Basta, I love you, kapatid. And hope to see you soon sa susunod na travel natin. Saan kaya ka? Sa Europe ulit. Samahan mo ko. Samahan mo kami. Sana magkatotoo. Okay. Enjoy your day, kapatid. Enjoy the celebration. And thank you sa mga anak mo dyan for taking care of you. I love you. God bless you more.
and enjoy the day. Have a blast. I love you, kapatid. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mare. Happy birthday. I hope you will enjoy your celebration tomorrow. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Lynn. God bless you and happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
Hello, Lynn. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you long life, good health, and happiness. Ingat ka palagi dyan. God bless you.
Happy birthday po, Tita Lynn. Ingat po kayo palagi. Love you and God bless.
Hi kapatid! Happy birthday! Wishing you good health and all the blessings. I love you. Have a great day. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Lynn. Sana po bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng maraming pang birthdays. Enjoy your day, Tita. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Thank you po. I love you.
To you. Happy birthday. Sing, sing, sing.
Happy birthday, Tita Lynn.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Lynn. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tol, Tol, happy birthday. Nandito ang Montreal Sixers.
Mare, happy birthday.
Ayan.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Mare. Welcome to the world of Singers. Mga bagong sexy nilay niya. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Len! Ito ulit ako. Nasend ko na kay yung isa kong video pero kasi gusto sumama ni Micah at saka ni Manit. O, ayan. Happy birthday, Len! I love you!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Tita. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Linlen. Love you all. Ingat palagi. Uwi na.
Happy birthday, Len!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, anak!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Len! Happy birthday! Anong pizza yun, birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nay.
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Lola!
Happy birthday, Nanay. Enjoy kayo.